Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you drive daily, travel at night, or just want full protection for your car, today's product is something you absolutely should not ignore. This is the 4K plus 4K dash cam front and rear, and it's one of the most powerful dual camera dash cams available right now, especially considering it includes a free 128GB memory card right out of the box. Let's start with the video quality, because this is where most dash cams fail. This one records true 4K resolution on both the front and rear camera simultaneously. That means crystal clear license plates, sharp road signs, and excellent detail even at high speeds. Many dash cams advertise 4K front but downgrade the rear, this one does not. Next, the 170-degree wide-angle lens ensures you're capturing multiple lanes of traffic, sidewalks, and blind spot incidents. This wide field of view significantly reduces the chance of missing critical footage during accidents or hit-and-run situations. The dash cam supports 5.8 GHz high-speed Wi-Fi, which is faster and more stable than traditional 2.4 GHz systems. You can instantly download footage to your phone without lag, making it perfect for insurance claims or sharing evidence on the spot. Another major feature is the built-in GPS. This records your real-time speed, route, and location directly into the video file. In legal or insurance situations, GPS data adds an extra layer of credibility and proof. The G-sensor automatically detects sudden braking, collisions, or impacts and instantly locks the footage so it cannot be overwritten. This is critical during accidents when evidence matters most. You also get a 3-inch IPS screen, which offers excellent brightness and viewing angles. You can easily review footage inside the car without connecting to your phone. One of the standout safety features is 24-hour parking mode. Even when your car is parked, the dash cam stays alert. If someone hits or scratches your vehicle, the camera automatically wakes up and records the incident. This is especially useful for street parking or apartment complexes. Storage is not a problem here. The dash cam supports up to 512 GB, meaning weeks of footage without worrying about overwriting important clips. Overall, this dash cam is built for serious drivers, rideshare drivers, long-distance commuters, travelers, and anyone who wants peace of mind on the road. If you want maximum protection, professional-grade video quality, and reliable performance, this is a dash cam worth investing in. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description to buy it on Amazon today.